YouTube, it's your boy Black. We back again with another video. So this car kind of dirty. I got it cleaned up, but y'all see by the title, we can go in the fruit run. The 500 horsepower Camaro. Out here. So we're gonna let this thing idle down right now, and then I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we driving. Finna go grab something to eat. So YouTube. I don't know where to go get something to eat because I'm hungry. But just listen to them. Just listen to those burbles, you know. Y'all hit them, that goddamn, it ain't that crazy, but like y'all hit the burbles. I'm just say that. Y'all hit the burbles. Do y'all hit the burbles? Oh, y'all. Gotta look both ways, you know what I'm saying? Love's not so bad. Might be gonna be doing the swap soon. He might. He might be doing the swap soon. Shit. Low key want a Hellcat Charger. I mean, Hellcat Chrysler. You can't go wrong with that. Supercharged, simple horsepower. That's all the power you need, my boy. My problem is that I don't be full throttling because I got on slides. I got on slides and I be like, really, you know what I'm saying? I be tuned in. Like, I don't really be, I be trying to pay attention to my goddamn phone at the same time. I be trying to lock in, you know what I'm saying? I be trying to lock in. I be trying to lock in, you hear me? To them burbles. Woohoo! My God! And that don't even be for a throttle, bro. Dang. Oh. Drop the camera, goddamn. I did drop the camera. That shit crazy. Dang. I'm trying to think what I want. Like, I don't know if I want goddamn McDonald's or Burger King. Like, I really don't know what I want. I might just get Wendy's. Yeah, I might just get Wendy's. Wendy's sound different. I'm gonna pick y'all back up though. But y'all already know. Like I said, I'm gonna get a Dream Bacon cheeseburger. I'm saying nothing too shabby. So guys, I just got the food. Took them about 10 fucking years to take the order. The food came quick though. I gotta get on that. The food came quick. The food came quick though. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, and I ain't record me taking my order because it's like she caught me off guard. I was all on Snapchat and shit. So I was like, well, let me do something in the fucking meantime. Or me just sitting here waiting patiently to eat. So I couldn't record, but yeah, I got the $5 Biggie Bag Dream Bacon cheeseburger with no onion. You know what I'm saying? Come with fries and nuggets. Can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with that. You know what I'm saying? People at church. Y'all see all them people over there? I don't know if y'all can see them because I'm focused on the road. You know what I'm saying? I'm locked in. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to hit now. I'm locked in. But yeah, went on a nice little food run. You know what I'm saying? 500 horsepower Camaro. You know what I'm saying? Burgers and beans. You know what I'm saying? Factory tune. I like it right there. And I like how it do that, because sometimes it'll do it, but if it don't do it, all you gotta do is just ease on the gas, and then it'll do it. Throw it back in drive. Throw that motherfucker back in drive, you know what I'm saying? That little truck, that nigga driving crazy. That bit look good though, it's clean. You know what I'm saying? Got a little cone in the back. I like a truck. I like a truck. It truck pretty clean. I give him that. This truck is pretty clean, you know. But yeah. Probably gonna end off the video here though. So thanks for watching. Make sure y'all guys like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below for video ideas if you made it this far. Peace.